Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial I am going to explain you how to use the distinct keyword which is used in the select clause. The SQL distinct keyword is used in conjunction with the select statement to eliminate all the duplicate records and fetching only unique records. So there might be a situation whenever you have multiple duplicate records in a table or at a column. While fetching such records, it makes more sense to fetch only those unique records instead of fetching duplicate records for your simpler analysis. So this is the basic syntax of the distinct clause which is used in the select statement. Let me show you with some examples. This is the SQL command line interface, and today we are going to use distinct keyword on employees table. Let me show you its data. DSC employees. So here are many columns present in the employees table along with the data types and constraints. From these given columns like department ID and salary could have duplicate values present inside them. So first we will see for department ID. So we are just selecting the department ID from employees. So here you can see there are multiple records present for the department ID. If you want to retrieve only the unique department IDs, we just have to use distinct keyword in the select clause. Let me show you how. Select, and after selecting we just have to give distinct. After that we have to give the column name which we have to retrieve. Department ID from employees table. So here you can see only the unique department IDs we are getting. So if you have to further sorting this data, we can use the order by clause for sorting this data into ascending order. For this we just have to type order by department ID, and here you can see department ID in the ascending order. We can also use where clause in conjunction with this. We can say like select distinct department ID from employees where department ID is greater than, we can say 50. So we will get only the department IDs which are greater than 50, and all these are unique values. Similarly, we can do this on different columns such as salary. Let me show you how. So for that, select salary from employees table. So again there are multiple duplicate values present in this salary column. So we just have to use distinct keyword to eliminate the duplicate records. For this we just have to give distinct. After this only the unique records we are getting. To sort this data further, we will use again order by on this salary. So it is further sorted out in the ascending order, and also we will give the condition where salary is greater than 5000. So all of these records are unique also, sorted in the ascending order, and all the records are greater than 5000. As you can see, distinct is a very powerful keyword which eliminates the duplicate records we are retrieving. We can use this in different scenarios as shown in these examples. In this video, I have briefly explained you what is a distinct keyword and how to use it, and how we can implement this distinct keyword into our SQL query to eliminate the duplicate records present in the database. So for further videos, please subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell to get further notified for latest updates.